What you see here is a wooden computer that I made over the summer of 2016. I made it because I wanted something to do and I hadn't seen many handmade cases before. I chose to use wood because a wooden computer is unusual, but more importantly, wood is cheap, easy to work with, and I had all the tools needed to make it. The case was built on a computer that I had lying around. It was an HP DC7600 Ultra Slim with 2GB of RAM, an 80GB hard drive, and a 200-watt power supply. I designed it using SketchUp, a free CAD software. The model was to scale, so it became the blueprints to my project, and using CAD helped me visualize the design and ensured that all the parts fitted inside. I could also decide where I wanted to put the fans so the computer had the best airflow. I then made my design.
What you wanna do, baby? Where you wanna go? I'll take you to the moon, baby. I'll take you to the floor. I treat you like a real lady, no matter where you go. Just give me some time, baby. Cause you know, even when we're apart, I know my heart is still there with you. 5 more hours till the night is ours, and I'm in bed with you. This right here is my type of party. 5 more hours, we're just getting started. This right here is my type of party. 5 more hours, we're just getting started.
5 more hours, we're just getting started.
How you wanna feel, baby? What you wanna know? Just pour another drink, baby. Come on, pour a little more. I treat you like a real lady. I'll keep you out the cold. I'll give you all my time, baby. You know, even when we're apart, I know my heart is still there with you. 5 more hours till the night is ours, and I'm in bed with you. This is, yeah.
And this is the result. It is a working wooden computer. It has RGB lighting to show off the motherboard. There are an additional 2 fans for air circulation. It also contains a new, larger speaker that produces more bass and is much louder. It looks great, and I'm very happy with the finish. It runs Windows XP, which is outdated but still works fine. With 2GB of RAM and a 3.2 GHz Intel Pentium dual core, it's not a gaming machine. It does run some simple games at low settings surprisingly well, but if you increase the resolution, there is some serious input lag. But on normal tasks like browsing files, opening Word documents, and playing music, it is adequate enough.
What you wanna do, baby? Where you wanna go? I'll take you to the moon, baby.
The new speaker sounds great.
I treat you like a real lady, no matter where you
I have no use for this computer, and it is more of a piece of art than anything else. But the best thing about it is the Windows XP sounds.